In the heart of Mesopotamia, in the year 539 BC, a grand spectacle was about to unfold. The stage, the ancient city of Babylon, adorned with its renowned hanging gardens and the colossal Ishtar Gate. The players, an unlikely alliance of the Persians, led by their charismatic king, Cyrus the Great, and the rebellious Babylonians, yearning for freedom from their foreign rulers. Cyrus, a man of ambition and wisdom, had already carved a formidable reputation, leading his Persian empire to victory after victory. Yet, Babylon remained a formidable challenge, a symbol of ancient wisdom and power, still under the rule of the Medes. The Babylonians, weary of the foreign yoke, found hope in the Persians. They saw in Cyrus a chance to reclaim their lost glory, to restore their city to its former grandeur. Together, they plotted, scheme after scheme, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. That moment came when the Medes sent their army to quell a rebellion in Egypt. Cyrus, seeing an opportunity, marched his forces towards Babylon. The Babylonians, under the leadership of their governor Gubaru, opened the city gates, welcoming the Persians as liberators. Cyrus, upon entering Babylon, was hailed as a savior. He treated the Babylonians with respect, allowing them to maintain their customs and religion. He even released the Jewish captives from their exile in Babylon, a gesture that would forever etch his name in history. The conquest of Babylon marked a turning point in history. Cyrus's Persian empire grew, absorbing the remnants of the Medes, Lydians, and Assyrians. His reign ushered in a period of peace and prosperity, a golden age for the ancient world. Yet, the story of Cyrus the Great is not just one of conquest and empire building. It is a tale of a man who recognized the value of unity, who understood that power was not just about dominance, but also about respect and understanding. It is a tale that still resonates today, a testament to the enduring power of wisdom and empathy. In the annals of history, Cyrus the Great stands as a beacon of enlightened leadership, a reminder that power can be wielded not just to conquer, but to liberate. His conquest of Babylon is a story of triumph, of freedom, and of the enduring spirit of the ancient world.